so that you can redeem that $2 bonus over and over again as many times as you wish. Follow along because it's very easy to do, and you can teach you how you can earn $2 for every 60 seconds. This is a free PayPal money trick that works in 2020, and I'm going to reveal it to you. The app we are going to make use of is called Univox, and I want you to first connect to univoxcommunity.com, and you can get the app on both iOS and Android devices. And as you can see here in this box, just for joining you will earn $2. But there is a trick to this, that you can make even more money just for joining, just for adding your credentials, your email address and full name. You can get much more than $2. I'm going to reveal it to you in just a second. So follow along because this video is going to be full of surprises. And if you just hover your mouse over these bubbles right here, you can see all of the different features of this app, including PayPal redemption, so you can actually withdraw your money using PayPal and spend them however you wish. You can also redeem Amazon gift cards and do some shopping online. You can also get your money on your Visa card. There's also this joining bonus that I talked about, but we are going to maximize our profits, and we're going to make use of a trick on this app that is going to make us even more than $2, much more actually. There is also a referral program, so whenever you refer a friend to this platform and they start using it and making money on it, you're also going to make some profits. You can also take advantage of the follow rewards and the quick redemptions, and there are also big payments in the game. Basically, you will just have to complete quick surveys and you will get your rewards. But you will have all kinds of opportunities on this platform, so I want you to pay close attention to my instructions, because if you do everything correctly, you've got 0 chances to fail. I don't want you to get confused and give up too early, so just pay attention and be patient. And take a look here. Whenever a new survey is available, they will send you a notification to your email, so when you open your mailbox, you will be able to see such notifications that you can click on. You'll be redirected to their page where you can complete a quick survey that only takes you a few seconds, and you will get rewarded for that. And you can choose whether or not you will be paid using PayPal or Amazon gift cards, so whichever method is more suitable and comfortable for you, you can use it. You can also get your money using your Visa MasterCard or Tango card if you have one, so it's completely up to you. So moving on, you need to click here on this button that says join because you don't have an account yet, and you need to sign up. And this little window will open up right here, but you might have to lie about your nationality and your language, so that's not much of a deal. You might want to pick the USA so that you get more opportunities for surveys, but it doesn't really matter. And here is the thing, this section right here is blocked, so you don't have access to it, you cannot change it. And in order to change your country, you might need to get a VPN, so if you don't have one, you can download it or just use one that is available online. That is going to trick the website and actually allow you to change your address and all that stuff. But that might not be necessary, so just try it out. If you don't get enough opportunities, you might want to use a VPN instead. Univox is also a Hungarian website, so when you first enter the homepage, you might get this text. But in order to deal with that, you need to right click and just click on Translate to English to make things easier for you. Once you have completed your registration, you will be redirected to your dashboard, which is going to look something like this. But this is a very bad translation, so sorry for that one, guys. You need to check as many boxes as you can in order to get more opportunities. Moving on to the next question that is necessary in order to set up our profile. They ask you how many hours you spend playing games in a week, and you want to pick this option, so maybe 25 or more. After that, you need to click on next. Up next, you also want to check as many boxes here because they ask you which are your favorites out of all these apps. So you need to check as many of them because you are going to get more chances to earn money this way. And even if you don't have all of these devices, make sure you check multiple boxes here for the same reasons as before. And after all of that is out of the way, you want to go to the left hand side here where it says My Surveys and click on that section. You will get all kinds of different opportunities and your balance will look something like this. I believe that 10 points equal to $1, so the more surveys you complete, the more money you are going to make. But here comes the most interesting part, the trick that I promised to share with you, so that you can redeem that $2 bonus over and over again as many times as you wish. Follow along because it's very easy to do and you can take advantage of it. As you can remember, the first time we connected to their platform, so to univoxcommunity.com, we could notice this box right here that said join and earn $2. But it is not enough that you join, you also need to confirm your email address because they are going to send you a validation link to your inbox. You have to click on it, and only after that will you be able to use your account and monetize your time on univox.com. And in order to trick that system, you need to come to the Google search bar and type in temporary email. That is going to show all of these results to you, and make sure you click on most of them, because there is no upper limit as to how many emails you can use in order to make those $2 over and over again. So what you want to do here is just copy this email, and also your inbox is going to show up right here in this little box. And after that, you want to come back to the website and click on join and earn $2, and basically complete the process once again, but make sure to paste the new temporary email address in this box right here. And the confirmation link will be sent to your new temporary email address, and you can see here that you don't even have to click on it in order to verify your account. It will just pop up here and they will automatically validate it for you. This is basically how the email is going to look like, and if it doesn't automatically do it for you, you can also click on this button here that says verified email, and that's all you have to do. And of course, I have presented to you the browser version, but you can also use the app that you can get on both App Store and Google Play, so you can also use your smartphone in order to earn some easy money with this app. And guys, I don't know how long this trick will still be available until they actually realize what's happening, so you might want to try it as soon as possible. Once again, all you have to do is connect to their website, which is called Univox Community, and you also want to open some temporary email addresses that you are going to use in order to trick their sign-up process. That is going to provide you with $2 that you can earn over and over again in just 60 seconds. And obviously, this method is not going to make you rich, but it is a fun and quick way that you can make some extra cash that you might be able to invest in something else, or just spend it as you wish. You might want to go outside and do some shopping, or basically it's all up to you. And as always guys, you don't necessarily have to use this system. There are also dozens of other options on my channel that you can use in order to monetize your time online and make some easy money. All of them are absolutely free, so you don't need to have a single penny in your bank account in order to start. All of them are perfectly beginner friendly. So if you're just starting out and you like our content and you want to see more like it, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, because it's very important that you get notified whenever we release a brand new video that presents